Okay, I just wanted to briefly explain how you can book a computer room if you're teaching in one of the other buildings, not at the ELTC. We have set aside some computer rooms in places like the management building and the information commons for students on a Wednesday morning, and you can book those in the normal way through the normal ELTC system. However, if you want them at a different time, if you want to take them in, your students in on a Tuesday or a Friday, then you're going to have to go through the university booking system. This is the only way to do it. I just want to explain how you can do that. To start with, you need to go through Muse, as you probably have done at some point already, and just log on. You then go on this page to Staff Applications, and you scroll down, and then you find the section which says Room Booking Inquiry System, and you click on Room Booking, and you'll be taken to this page. And you can then browse the facilities. I would click on this first one where it says Browse Facilities, and then you can go by building. So you may be able to find, based on the building you're in, let's take as an example, say the Portobello Centre. Okay, and let's say I want to book the computer room. It tells you what type, and you search, and it brings up the details in these boxes, and then you can specify exactly what time you want. Let's say I want 1:30. Let's put that tomorrow on the 29th. Okay, let's check if that's available. Okay, so and then it checks it, and then this tells you whether it's available or not. If it's got a red with yellow, sort of a red background with little yellow dots, then that means it's not available. And I think all of those little sort of ditto marks suggest that it's booked all that time. However, afterwards you can see at 4 o'clock it seems to be free. So if we go back, and let's change that to 4 o'clock, let's say. Okay, let me search again. Yeah, and there you go. It should have a sort of a yellow and then a sort of a purple lettering, and that means that it's free and you can book there. What you can then do is at the bottom you can just click on Request Room Booking. I'm not going to do that because obviously I don't want to book the room, but you click on that, then you'll get an email which says, you know, do not reply. It just confirms that you've booked this, or confused that you've made an application to book it. However, it does not mean that you've booked it yet, because an actual person needs to look at it and confirm, and then you'll get confirmation later. It may be, you know, 10 minutes or it could be, you know, a day. So it's a good idea to book in advance, because it does rely on actual people to look and confirm the booking, and you can't always guarantee they'll do that immediately. Okay, so just bear that in mind. So yeah, you can go back, as I said, you can browse by place, or you can browse by type. You can actually go down and look for computer rooms, and this tells you all the buildings where you can find computer rooms, and then you can book through there as well by again clicking on searching. So if you're in the Hicks building, you can click on that and then book through that. So as I say, if you're not teaching at the LTC and you're not booking for Wednesday morning for projects, and you want to book a computer room, then this is the system you need to use. It's a little bit more complicated, perhaps not as efficient, but it's the system available for you. Okay, thank you.